They call this the Little Venice of the Atlantic Ocean. I call it Porto Mogan. This place, guys, is absolutely stunning. Look at this, absolute pure paradise. So as I said, we're in the southern part of Gran Canaria, in a little area called Puerto de Mogán. As you can see, it's just a harbour resort and it's absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look around. There's lots of little streets and canals, cafes and shops, and yeah, we'll explore together. So look at the architecture. Like, that's a small little hotel. I'd love to have that little balcony up there. It is really beautiful. You just don't feel like you're actually in Gran Canaria when you're here. You know, you're back in Palomas and Playa de Ingles and there. All the hustle and bustle, madness. Just walking around here, it's just beautiful. So originally, Porto Mogan was a really small fishing village, and then in 1970 they took this construction project on board, and this is what they've created. Look, lovely whitewashed buildings. Can you imagine sunrise on that lovely colour, the white? It's really beautiful. And the water is so clear, look. You can actually see some fish down there, look. I don't know whether you're allowed to swim in that water there or not, but it's very tempting. It is about 35 degrees here at the moment. It's not even 1 o'clock in the day. But yet the whole harbour itself is all sort of lined with lots of bars and cafes, eateries, from breakfast to snacks and dinner. So you get a lot of people here, as you can probably see in front of me there. They love taking selfies and photographs. It's just the contrast, really. Look at the flowers, the colours, the green, oranges and purples up there. All just contrasting against the white. Stunning, eh? If you're curious, you jump on that website there and see how much that's going for. But it's stunning, this place. There are plenty of little shops as well. Pretty much has everything you sort of need around here. So it was built in the 1970s. It's very modern looking, isn't it? You notice the Rocky Mountains there in the background? Cool, isn't it? Billy's, 1985. Oh, you got a shamrock on it. You can't go too far without finding an Irish bar. Guys, there is a Puerto de Mogán, so that's the beach of Mogan. It's on the other side of the harbour here. I'll put the link in here because if you're going to watch this video, so you may as well check out Puerto de Mogán. Not too sure if the fish are visible there. Yeah, they should be visible. What you reckon, guys? What you think of this place? Would you stay here? Stunning. Look at all these little houses here.
Ja, sorry, ik heb het echt weer verpest. Denk ik.
Yeah, that sun at the moment is very, very hot. Here's another one there for sale. Look at Say Viende, the same website. I'm actually going to jump on that before I edit this video. I'm going to throw the price of that apartment. Should be on the screen now. But this is one of those little canals I was telling you about. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Like, check this out. Like, imagine your bedroom was there, right above the canal. I just love that. This is architectural beauty. I can still hear that whistle song over there. I don't know whether that's going to cause me some copyright issues. More work to do. So it looks like those houses have little roof terraces on them. See the little roof up there, the shade? Oh, that just even makes them even better again, doesn't it? So you do all sort of excursions from here, guys, like glass bottom boats and stuff, fishing trips. I'd say it's actually really big, a really big industry for fishing trips here. I haven't seen any advertised now, guys, because I'm not really into the fishing myself, but like if anywhere's going to be doing fishing trips, it has to be here. The rock formation on that mountain is class, isn't it? are they separate? Upstairs to downstairs there. You got music in the background there, so I'm just going to talk over that and see can I get rid of that copyright strike. I didn't know these little bars were here. I've never been up this end to actually see these bars. But that's a lovely shaded spot as well, so it's nice and cool around here. Yeah, I was never here before. Another cafe. So we just went around in a sort of a square there. What I'll do is I'll head up in between some of the these these little streets are gorgeous, aren't they? And look, you see a cherry picker there, and the guys, look, it's always maintained. That just goes to tell me that this place is always beautiful. So you got multiple apartments there. Look, you got 4 by the looks of it. Upstairs and downstairs. Oh, Billy's, that pub that we just seen. Actually is it's a hotel as well. Billy's Hotel. Right. And that puts me straight back in the square here of which we've already sort of seen. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, so I mentioned Puerto de Mogán, the beach, and again that place is full of cafes and restaurants and bars, and shopping, grocery shopping, food shopping, duty-free shopping. It's so nice.
Hello. Dus dat over die blauwe broeken gaan, dus dan zijn eigenlijk dan en dan moeten ze klein dingen. Maar ik dacht
Well, guys, what do you reckon of that? Do you reckon it's justified calling the little Venice of the Atlantic Ocean? I think so. I think it's absolutely beautiful in there. But yeah, right, guys, I did mention Puerto de Mogán. I am off to Puerto de Mogán right now. It's literally probably 1 minute from here. So I'm going to set up again and I'm going to record over there. I'll put the link on the screen for that video. And yeah, until next time, guys, please stick around. Support me if you can. And yeah, I'll talk to you next time, guys, right? Peace. So long.
a mí me dijo que estaba limpiando el puerto.